Hello. In this video, we are going to make an easy glider airplane. This one is called the Flypaper. It's one of my favorite airplanes. There are 10 steps to this airplane. So what you're going to do is you're going to need your copy paper. We're going to turn it vertical just like I have here. And the first step is to simply fold this side to that side to make it symmetrical. So let's go ahead and do that. Make sure that your corners are lined up nice and evenly, as much as possible. And what I'd like you to have is something that's like a pencil, or let's say a pen or a marker, something that has a sharp, or a sturdy edge that we can press down those edges. Okay, so we're gonna drag it across the edge to make it nice and sharp. If you've watched any of my other airplane videos, you'll know that this is a valley fold. And if I flip it over, this is called a mountain fold, okay? Kind of important. Sometimes I refer to that. Okay, so back to the airplane. We have our fold here, and what you'll do is you're going to open it up, okay? Once you've opened it up, the Flypaper airplane is going to have a fold that goes from this corner. We're going to take the corner here and go to the other side. So we're basically going to be making a large square, okay? So we're going to make a fold that goes from here to here, okay? So this side is going to line up with this side, okay? So make sure that as you're folding, this edge is going to be perfectly lined up with the outside edge of the paper, okay? Now, if it's not absolutely accurate, it's not going to be the end of the world. Let's see. So yeah, mine is right there on the edge, so that's cool. But sometimes that doesn't happen. Sometimes your paper might not be perfectly cut, and that's okay. It's not supposed to be perfect. It's cool when it happens though. Anyway, once you have that folded, you want to make sure that you press it down. Okay, just like that. And then we're going to open, actually no, we're not going to open that. We're going to leave it just like this, okay? So you have this kind of weird looking shape, all right? So what you're going to do now is we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it to this corner, okay? So we're going to basically be making a fold that goes this direction, all right? So I'm gonna go nice and slow. We're taking this side and lining up with that side, okay? So that's the way it should be. And we're gonna crease that down, use our Sharpie or pencil or marker, whatever you have laying around to help you out. I really advise you to use something other than your fingers, because the more layers of paper you have of folding, the harder it is to make it a sharp line, okay? So this is what we just did. Okay, so here we are. Now we've got this flap that we can pick up, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to take this point and we're going to fold it down the center, okay? Like I said, this is a 10-step airplane, the Fly Swatter is, okay? So we're going to take this and fold it back in. Okay, so you can see how that works. We're going to take the point and line it up with the center of the paper. All right, it should look like that. Now you're probably thinking, wait a minute, why this doesn't look like it's symmetrical? Well, that's true, but that's okay. So here's what's gonna happen. There's a little pocket. Okay, if you pick it up, there's a pocket in there. We're going to tuck this little triangle bit into the pocket, all right? This is a pretty cool little move. So what you want to do is kind of lift it up a little bit, and we're just going to take our thumb and slide it under that little pocket, okay? Now you might have to turn your airplane a little bit, like I'm doing, but that's okay. All right, so it's tucked in, but now we need to crease it. Make that sharp, all right? Take that, whatever tool you have, and press it down real nice. Okay, that's looking good. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Now, we're gonna take this point and line it up to here. Okay, down to here. Hold it with your finger, press it down. Kind of push away towards the edge to get a nice sharp edge. And then we really take it home, get it creased down. Okay? Good. Oh, all right, so here we are. We are going to now mount and fold this in half, okay? So basically, all that means is we are going to bend it up this way. Now you're getting some thick paper here, so stay right on that folded edge. Again, we're folding down the middle edge, but since it's so thick, it's a little harder to do. Make sure that your wings, if you look out the outside of your wings here, they should be pretty much side by side, okay? It might not be perfect. Mine's not looking absolutely perfect at the moment. That's okay. We don't need to be perfect. We're here to practice and have some fun doing it, okay? You can always try again. Okay, so now we have this. All we have to do now is fold a straight line across here to make our wings. Okay, so we're gonna fold down, just straight down. There's one wing. Give it a good little crease. Okay, and I'm gonna flip it over. Here's the other side. And all I have to do is match this to that. So, folding that paper. I'm gonna turn my airplane a little bit, sorry about that, but I wanna line these up and it's easier if I turn my paper. So, I'm lining up the bottom edges and there's a little trick here. Oh, you see how chunky that is? We wanna slide our fingers back. Sometimes you have to kind of get under it to get the paper to cooperate. But the thicker the paper, the trickier it is to get it all leveled in. All right, we're gonna press that down. Show that paper's who's boss. You're the boss, not the paper. Okay, now if I open this up, we've got a nice glider. Now there's one little trick you can do to make this absolutely perfect, okay? Ooh, I was too bossy to my paper, almost made a hole. All right, anyway, what you can do here is we can fold another little angle to the back and it's going to make it more like you can steer it, okay? So all I'm going to do, I'm going to close that back up a little bit. I'm going to draw a line so you can see where I'm going to fold, okay? That might help you out a little bit. So I'm going to fold from that corner to this corner. And it's just to add another little angle, all right? So that's where I'm going to fold, okay? I'm going to fold right along there. There we go. Beautiful, all right? So that's one wing, okay? You see how it changes the shape of it a little bit? And I can kind of push it back out a little bit. We just wanted it slightly. There we go, all right? Now we're gonna do the other side, okay? So again, we're going from this corner to back here, okay? There we go. Back to there. Not perfect, but whatever. All right. All right, so you don't want to leave it like this. You want to kind of get that out. There we go. All right, so the flypaper airplane is now done. Now this is called a glider. Gliders, they need to be thrown a certain way. You don't want to throw this one really, really hard. You want to throw it kind of in a straight path and throw it gently so it can float carefully. All right, there we go. All right, really want to try this out. I'm really excited. This type of airplane flies really nicely. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Remember, you can always pause the video, restart the video if you had trouble making it. You can always try again, okay? So have fun flying. That almost hit me.